Hello guys, today I'm going to move my small lotus plant into the big pot to grow. It has been grown 1 year in this pot, it's too narrowed. So today's 18th of March, to start to grow. You can see these young leaves is coming, and I'm going to put it in the bigger pot, a very big pot, 100-liter pot. It's going to be good. Okay, you can see it's 100 liters, more than 100 liter. So it's going to be good. We can see actually when it grows each year, the roots just go alongside, around the edges, because otherwise it's normal to go this way. There's no other directions. You can only turn around. So when you move it, you have to be careful. And I can have a look how is it rotate. It's actually it's nearby. To take your circle, there's a bark there. Oh, why there's a bark? Okay, I better touch it. Okay. So usually I put one hand here and then flip the bucket, and it will stay in my hand. And I flip it back over there, then put some mud around it, then it will be done. Usually it's not something complicated. So what are you trying to do is to try not to do any damage to the roots, because that's fragile, and this is just small. When it grow very big, it can grow to a big tube, pipe-like. It called the lotus root. Actually, you can eat it. Back in the Asian countries, they eat it like that, veggies or fruits. It's gonna have very nice flowers too. And the earth I have here, it's come from just the ordinary earth from the garden or from the field, but it's already mixed with a little bit ashes, which is going to be good. But don't put too much fertilizer in it, because if there's too much fertilizer, it's going to be, so what is not good, it may burn the lotus. What you need to do actually is to put your fertilizer later when it starts to grow. They're a bit ticks for you when you come with the earth with a lot of stones mixture like this. So it's very easy to find a basket in the supermarket or something. You put it down there, you put the bucket in, and you shake it. So the earth will stay. The big ones will stay outside. It's just use it like a shiver. Okay, so that's it. We're going to do it, and we'll update in the summer or winter start to grow for the lotus. Okay, I'll see you next time, guys. Okay, this is done. Before you put it in, as you can see, just flip over on the palm and turn it over like this. And before that, you just dig a little bit in the middle, so there's a big dent. And after you flip it over, just push the earth around it. Put water back in it will be done. Okay, great. Okay, see you next time, guys. Before you put it in, as you can see, just flip over on the palm and turn it over like this. And before that, you just dig a little bit in the middle, so this is a big dent. And after you flip it over, just push the earth around it. Put water back in, it will be done. Okay, great. Okay, see you next time, guys.